The 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata is a two-seat roadster that is available in two body styles, soft top and RF, retractable fastback. The Miata is powered by a 2.0L four-cylinder engine that produces 181 horsepower and 151 pound-foot of torque. It is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Miata gets an EPA estimated 26 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway for the soft top, and 25 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway for the RF. The Miata is a fun and engaging car to drive. It has a responsive engine and a precise steering. The Miata is also relatively lightweight, which makes it agile and fun to drive on winding roads. The Miata has a relatively small interior, but the front seats are supportive and comfortable. The rear seats are only suitable for small children or luggage. The Miata comes standard with features like a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a rear-view camera, and Bluetooth connectivity. The Miata is a safe car. It comes standard with features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. It also received a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. The 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata is a good choice for those looking for a fun and engaging roadster. It is also a good value for the money, starting at $27,525. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Pros: fun to drive, responsive engine, agile handling, relatively lightweight, long list of standard safety features, available in a variety of colors. Cons: small interior, rear seats are cramped, expensive. Here are some additional details about the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata. The Miata is available in two body styles, soft top and RF, retractable fastback. The Miata has a starting MSRP of $27,525. The Miata is available in a variety of colors, including black, white, gray, red, blue, and silver. Overall, the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata is a good choice for those looking for a fun and engaging roadster. It is also a good value for the money, starting at $27,525.